That was Nica's Dream by Horace Silver. Here we have a chord melody guitar arrangement. Next up, we're going to play through it again, but this time we'll have the guitar pro neck diagram, tablature, and standard notation running along with the music. Then I'll take you through this step by step. If you enjoy this video, please like and comment. Also hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future videos or live streams. I also have additional learning resources, so check the links down in the description below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so we played through it again. Now let's work with it step by step. If you need the PDF of this, please check the link down in the description below. Here we have the intro. We're going to play here in position 11. I want to play that loud and short. And then we're going to move 2 frets down. Same type of articulation. And then 2 frets down from there. Again, the same. And then we're going to play a single line melody up here, and starting, well, position 5, but we're reaching out to 9. And then we play short on that last note. Then we're going to immediately go over to playing B minor major 7, position 6. So we'll carry on with that. We'll move to position 4 for A flat minor major 7. Up 2 frets, position 6, B flat minor major 7. back to position 4 for A flat minor major 7. Then we're into the main form here at the double bar line, playing a pickup note of F here on string 2 fret 6, and then we're going to strum minor major, really it's a minor major 9. Okay, and then we're going to release, play on strings 1, 2, and 3 on fret 6. And then we go into A flat minor major 7, position 4. And we're going back up to position 6. We're going to play same shape that we played earlier. Okay, and then we're going to move up, down, position 5, and then back to the shape. Like we did before, we're going to play these tones on fret 6, string 1, 2, and 3. We're going to play those notes short. Then we're going to A flat minor 7, so this is a little bit different, voicing. Position 4, and we're going to play fret 6 and 6 again, strings 2 and 3. And then we're going to go back to fret 4. Now, in this case, instead of playing finger 1, I'm going to be playing with 3 fingers. That way I can drop this note on string 4 to accommodate D flat 7. Then we're going to position 1, play 2 notes there, frets 1 and 2 on string 2, and then we're going up to position 4. This voicing, A flat minor 9, and then we're going to again drop string 4 to work with the D flat. Now it's a D flat 9. Play some single tones here in position 1. That's 4 and 1 on string 1 and fret 2 on string 2. And then we have G flat major 13. We're going to hold string 2 fret 4. We're in position 2. And then we're going up to position 3. For D flat 7 becomes a D flat 9. And move those 3 fingers down to C7 for a C7 sharp 9 as that note carries above on string 2. Okay, we're going to position 4 for some single tones. Okay, then we're going up to position 7. We're going to drop finger 2 a half step to work with the F7, and we're going to hold everything above it. Then we're going to move to position 6. We have an F augmented. We can play that short. And then we're going to move to position 2 for a single tone on string 2 fret 2, and then we're going into B flat minor major 7 here, position 1. We're going to play through that again, so I'll go through this pretty quickly. Okay, position 6, position 4. So moving in out of the position. Position 4. Regrouping fingers. A flat minor 9. Some descending, or 1 descending tone on string 4 again. Single tones here. And then position 2. Try to keep that note ringing. Position 4, single tones. Position 7. Tones going down again on string 4. Short on this F augmented. fret 2 on string 2, and then chord melody again. Here we get into the B section. We're coming in on beat 2. We're going to play position 4 here, and then position 2. Use finger 4, let that ring below, and then again position 4, and then this time playing a different voicing, strings 2 through 4, 2, 2, 4 in that order. Finger 4, we're going to hold the chord under it. Finger 4, string 2, fret 4, and then we're going to walk up here. F minor, E flat minor, D flat major, F minor, and B flat 13 flat 9, over to B flat 7 sharp 5, position 6. Same voicing, it's going to become E flat 9, 1 fret down, as a sharp 11. Okay, now a few single tones. Okay, position 5, still E flat 9 there, and then we're going over to A flat sus4. Some of these are rootless voicings. Flat 9, or A flat 7, flat 9, and then D flat minor major 7. Really, it's a minor major 9. The chords just reflect the basic harmony, or the chord symbols, I should say. Okay, and then we have E minor 9, some single tones, position 5, and then A13. We're going to repeat a lot of the material from before. Then we're going to go to F minor 7, E flat, minor 7, D flat, over to B flat 13 flat 9, B flat 7 sharp 5, E flat 9 sharp 11, E flat 9 again, and then to A flat 9 sus4, A flat 7 flat 9 to the D flat minor major 7. Then we have single tones, and then we're going back to the B flat minor major 7. We're essentially back to the A section, so I'll go through this pretty quickly. We went through this earlier. A flat minor major 7, A flat minor 7, to the D flat 7, A flat minor 9, move to D flat 7, position 1, G flat major 13, D flat 9, C7 sharp 9. Single tones, position 7, let string 4 drop for the F7, F augmented, fret 2, and B flat minor major 7. So here towards the end of the form, we have this kind of instrumental part. Well, it's all instrumental, I guess, but we have this kind of additional section. I'm here in position 8. So all single tones there, and then we're going to play B flat minor major 7. Do a pull off there. Move down 2 frets, same thing for A flat minor major 7. Go down 2 frets, slightly different. We're going to have finger 3 on string 4, fret 8 here. Same kind of technique with a pull off. And then we're going to add just a tone in here. Pull off here, position 4, C minor 7 flat 5, and then we're going to go to F7, flat 9. And then we have this single note line. And we can play the last note short. Let me talk about a couple of recordings. So on the album Horoscope, it's actually a little hard to hear this. It almost sounds to me like they play like that, but maybe the horns are playing other harmonies. But so I'm really referencing the Blue Mitchell here. So if you're kind of wondering about this line, you can really clearly hear it in that recording from that artist. And I like the flavor of that anyway, so that's the one I'm choosing. But always cross-reference these with recordings. Thanks for watching this. You may find you need more help with this tune or others, or maybe you want to work on improvisation with it. Click the link in the description that will lead you to a consultation. There will point you in the right direction or address some issues right there on the spot. Also check out our email newsletter and check out fretprints.com to sign up for a free trial to our member area. Enjoy your practice session, and I'll see you all in the next one.